Hi everyone, this is Bea Candle Company. Today we are packing orders for Black Friday. We have an order here from Molly. She is getting 1 classic Citron Verde, 1 classic Palo Santo, and 2 Grande Amber Santals. So what we do is we fill the box with compostable biofill, and then Brianna is going to bring over those candles. So we got Citron Verde and the Palo Santo. Put those right in there. And 2 Amber Grandes. And Molly's my friend, and today's her birthday, so I'm going to give her 2 free candles. She's getting a Fresh Woods and a Holidays candle. So we're going to put all these in here. And then we include a note to Molly. We fold up the packing slip and then we fill it up with biofill. Okay. Ready to go.